Donut Duster Lonnie back, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you've been following me the last couple of days, I have been styling up with a new formulation from Firehouse Mustache Wax, first Dark and then Tacky. And these are newly formulated with a color that matches, works well with my lighter color Stache. So today, we're actually going to use both. I'm going to use Dark for the first layer and Tacky for the second layer. And if you've been following, again, Dark, I found that I don't need heat to apply. So we're going to go ahead and apply that without the use of a blow dryer. Tacky, a little firmer, a little stickier. I would suggest just a little bit of heat with that, so I may go ahead and give that just a quick blast with the blow dryer, but I don't think it's absolutely necessary. It's just a personal preference. Before I do that, though, I'm going to go ahead and wash the Stache out. We want to do that to get out any residues, waxes, oils from the previous day. And I'm going to use this used bar of Firehouse soap, which I've made for them, and it comes in 2 scents, Firehouse Coffee and Smoldering Embers. In fact, I'm going to start looking at a new scent that you're going to be really excited about. But now, I'm going to go ahead and use this. Go out to their website. You can order these bars of soaps. They're really good soaps. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and we'll be right back. All right, so washed up. Just going to do a little dry styling without any wax. One of the nice things about the soap is that it also has carrier oil infused, like jojoba oil and others, that help break down any residue or residual waxes that are in the Stache. So let's go ahead and just use a roller brush. Get the Stache hairs going all the same direction. So we have it washed out, we have it blow dried and dry styled. So now we're going to go ahead and apply some wax. I'm going to go ahead and start with Firehouse Mustache Wax Dark. Again, it's going to warm up very nicely between the thumb and the forefinger. Just go ahead and give that a vigorous rub. You can use a lot or a little, just really depends on your preference and your mustache. Some of the best mustaches out there, I see them kind of smear it on, put a healthy coat of wax in there, and that is fine. I tend to go a little lighter. I like that kind of that more brushed style, which of course I call the duster. Comb that out, evenly distribute the hairs, give it that back comb like that. That works it back towards the cheeks. That's not a bad style right there, but that has a very light coat of dark wax on it. So now we're going to go ahead and apply a coat of Tacky. We want to give this just a couple minutes to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and then we're going to be right back with the Tacky. While we're away, I went ahead and I hit this Tacky wax tin with the blow dryer for just a couple minutes. It's going to come out nice and soft like that. I'm going to put a little more on this finger, because what I'm going to do, like I did with the dark wax, is I'm going to go ahead and put it on both fingers, rub it in good, start from the middle. If you lose a couple hairs, that's fine. Do my over and under move. Nothing wrong with that right there. If I wanted to leave it just like that. Start working the ends, get a little more wax out there. From here, you could do a number of things. You could add more wax to the ends and get yourself a full partial curl handlebar. Whatever style you like, this wax is going to handle it. I'm going to go ahead and brush this out like I did the other one. Give it that little back flip. Let that set up a bit. Do any final styling that you may care for, and we'll call it a wrap. So we are all styled up and came out great. So I'm liking the wax, I'm liking the styling, I'm liking the hold. All works out good. And then when I use the Firehouse Mustache soap at night or during the day, it helps take that out and cleans it up for whatever you use next. So let's review Stache styling made easy. So 4 steps. Step 1, wash it out. Use Firehouse Mustache soap or a good quality mustache soap that has oils in it that help break down any residual waxes and so forth. Clean that up. Do a dry or natural styling to get all the hairs moving the same direction. That's step 2. And then step 3, apply the wax however much you like. And then step 4 is style stache with the wax to your preference. So 4 steps, easy peasy. Don't overcomplicate it or make it difficult. Just use the right products and you'll be set. So hope you've enjoyed this. I enjoy doing it and showing it to you. I enjoy using the Firehouse Mustache Wax products. I think you will too. So take care. God bless. As always, Original Mustache Club for life, baby.